Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if the sign up is not working on ChatGPT. This issue is basically can be fixed in three ways. So the first thing to check if you are um, having a problem in your network connection and make sure that your ISP is or internet is working correctly. And if not, you just have to contact your ISP or internet service provider, or you can try also to reset your modem or router. If that does not work, then the second thing to do is go ahead and check for the status of OpenAI. So status.openai. So as you can see, be sure to check this if all the services are functional for today. So as you can see, all of the services are functional, and that is why we are not having the issue in here. So make sure to check that, guys. But if that still does not work and it is the status is operational, the third thing to try is go ahead and go over to your settings here and go over to clear browsing data, and be sure to go ahead and go to advanced and make sure to just go ahead and check the cookies and other site data, catch images and files, and proceed to clear the data. So now this will log you out of your ChatGPT. Just have to log in again, guys, and that should do the trick. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.